Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin or editor access and note campaign and conversion ID so you don't guess later. Once done, open Google Ads and Google Analytics side by side so data cross-checks are immediate. Next, check billing status and daily budget limits to avoid paused delivery. This prevents chasing phantom problems. Finally, enable browser dev tools and keep the time-stamped audit log visible so you can reproduce errors and capture precise screenshots for troubleshooting. You now diagnose the core issue. Compare impressions, CTR, AVG CPC, and conversions over the last 7 to 14 days to spot sudden drops. Then inspect Policy Center and disapproval notices because automated suspensions often look like performance problems. Next, review targeting and audience exclusions. Make sure location, language, and device settings match intent. Adjust bids or switch to manual for a test group so you can isolate automated bidding effects. Run a controlled A/B change for 3 to 5 days to measure impact. You apply the selected fixes and validate results. Change only one major variable at a time, document each change, and run a short live test so you can attribute effects. After 24 to 72 hours, check real-time metrics and conversion tracking to confirm restoration. Make sure your conversion window and attribution model haven't shifted. If performance still lags, reset automated bidding to manual. Review negative keywords and placement exclusions, and submit a policy appeal if an unexpected disapproval persists. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.